AI will generate an astounding 133 million jobs across various industries by the end of year 2025. Now, I know what you are thinking. Isn't AI supposed to take away jobs? Well, not quite. Let's break it down. AI and automation are transforming industries, making processes more efficient and opening up entirely new fields of work. Think about it. As machines take over repetitive tasks, humans are free to explore creative, strategic, and highly skilled roles. This means more opportunities in sectors like healthcare, education, and even AI development itself. Take healthcare for example. AI-driven diagnostics and robotic surgeries are becoming more common, but they need skilled professionals to develop, maintain, interpret, and operate these technologies. That's where you are required. And in education, AI is revolutionizing personalized learning. Teachers are getting powerful tools to tailor lessons for individual students' needs. But someone has to design and manage these systems. That's where, again, you come in. Now, let's talk numbers. According to a report by PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's a trillion with a T. This economic boom will drive demands for AI specialists, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. So, if you are in tech, you are at the right place at the right time. But it's not just about tech jobs. According to a McKinsey report, AI will create roles in sectors we might not even think about. Agriculture, for instance, will see an increase in AI-driven farming techniques, requiring new expertise in managing and interpreting data from automated systems. Farmers are becoming tech-savvy. They are actively using drones and sensors to monitor crops and livestock. And with the rise of smart cities, urban planners and environmental scientists will be in high demand to design and manage AI-powered infrastructure. The point here is that you do not have to be a techie to benefit from AI revolution. Whichever industry you are in, you have to learn how to use AI tools and techniques to stay relevant. So, upskilling is the key. Embrace continuous learning and stay ahead of curve. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX offer courses in AI, data science, and more. The future workforce needs to be agile, adaptable, and tech-savvy. And it's not just about technical skills. Soft skills like creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence will be crucial. After all, while machines can process data, only humans can innovate and empathize. At Inzint, we see AI as an incredible opportunity. We have proactively trained our workforce to take up AI jobs. And because of this forward-thinking approach, we have never had to resort to layoffs or pay cuts since our inception in 2020. AI training sessions were recorded and are now available on this YouTube channel. Find the link in the description below. The link is also available on the right-hand side corner of this player. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video for more insights into tech-driven world of tomorrow. See you next time.